Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming UEFI mode and preparing tools. Once done, backup data and make a Windows installer USB so you can repair boot files. Reboot straight into UEFI using Shift+ restart in Windows or hit F2/F12/delete during post. Make sure SATA mode and secure boot settings won't block UEFI entries. This gets you into firmware quickly so you can see or add Windows Boot Manager. Do not waste time in the desktop environment. Go straight to firmware access now. You'll now rebuild the UEFI entry. Boot the Windows USB and choose Repair Command prompt. Use diskpart to list disks, select the disk, list partitions, and assign a drive letter to the EFI partition. Choose S for clarity. Then run bcd-bootc /Windows/ss/fuefi. This copies EFI files and registers Windows Boot Manager with firmware. Make sure the Windows installation is on C. If not, find the correct Windows folder first. Once BCD boot finishes, you created the UEFI boot entry. Finish by rebooting into UEFI and prioritizing Windows Boot Manager as the first boot device. Save and exit. If the entry still does not appear, repeat BCD boot from the installer, or, on a dual boot Linux system, use FAbootnger to check entries. If Windows still won't start, disable Secure Boot temporarily and verify the EFI partition letter and contents. /EFI/Microsoft/boot/bootmgfwa. EFI must exist. If problems persist, restore from back.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.